So over here, you can see that I have a text box right here. And you can see that the text is actually center aligned right now. So you can see that there's a bunch of text and then there's spacing on the left and right so that it's squeezed onto the center. But if I were to go around and scroll down, you can see that there's the center align option over here, just like this. So if I were to go around and click on align left, then it pushes out all of the text over here onto the left, as you can see right here. Similarly, I can align it to the right as well. But if I were to go around and select out justify align, then it adds in space in between the different words right here and makes the left and right equal right here, but leaves out the last line, as you can see, onto the left so that it is more of a balanced outlook right here. So you can go around and left align, which squeezes out the letters together, but justify actually goes around and justifies out add in space so that the text looks more balanced, as you can see right there. So that is what you have. Apart from that, you can work around with style. Like let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here, you can go around and work for uppercase right here, just like this. You can make everything uppercase. You can make everything italic. You can bold or underline right here. At the time of the recording, there is no feature right here to select out certain portion of the text and apply different style to it. But you have to apply all at once right here. So that is how you can work around with alignment and style inside of Pixlr Designer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.